Good morning, students, and welcome to the online session of computer in class 8. In this session, we are going to learn the safety issues for teenagers on the internet and the protecting your system. These two topics we are going to learn in this session. Now, safety issues for teenagers on the internet. Why these safety issues are required for the teenagers? Teenagers means a small child. They are using the internet. So, which safety issues we have to take on while surfing on the internet? So, let us start. We know that millions of users are online, at home, at school, at a friend's house, almost everywhere. Most people engage in activities like emailing, browsing, instant messaging, and chatting on the internet. So all these activities are very popular and having a fun, but also need to be careful while online. So let's discuss some of the dangers you may encounter online. The first dangers, online dangers through emails. So while online, when you have a email account, that time what restrictions or what safety issues you have to take that in using the emails. Unsolicited emails like a spams can disclose the personal information. If there is a spam mail, this email is coming to your email account, that time you do not reply or open such emails which are coming in your inbox. In such emails, there is a alluring, offensive content is present. Alluring or offensive content means maybe there is a link is attached with the email, or maybe unwanted messages are attached with that email. So for your protection, you should not reply to such unsolicited emails. Now second, online dangers through blogs. Blogs means what? A blog is an online diary. A blog is an online diary that is frequently open to public. Means who uses this blog? A famous person, a celebrity, a politician. All these people are using the blogs. What care we should take while using the blogs? Some users open his identity carelessly. So to be careful while blogging means you do not write or show or while using the writing the blogs. So this may can harm your reputation or your personal physical proximity. So that's why while using the blogs, you should take care some safety. Now the next point is online dangers through chatting. Chatting provides an online space to contact between the predators and users, means innocent children. Chatting means we have to messaging with our friends or relatives. So we should take care while online chatting. So the identity of the members of the chat room is not known. Means while doing the chatting on the internet, we should know we don't know the identity or the unknown person. So that's why we should take care while chatting. So for safety, never provide your personal information like name, age, sex, location or address to anyone on the net. The fifth point is online dangers through website. Many websites features contain the dirty pictures are linked with the website while you are searching the information on the website. So such a websites are also provide the access to the gambling and online games of violent nature. So for safety, do not check such a unknown websites. Means there are certain websites. Those are we have to unknown. So what we safety we have to take. We do not search unknown websites. They are linked with hyperlinks or attached with some bad messages or some bad games. Those are violent nature, and these provide the access to your computer system. So this safety we have to take care while online. Now the second point is protecting your system. Now, how we can protect our system? There are certain ways we protect our system. Now, computer-based crimes are increasing day to day. So, for that reason, it is essential that we take the necessary steps to protect the computer system that we use. Some of the basic steps that can help you to protect from such crimes. The first system is installing antivirus software. Installing antivirus software. So why we have to require to install the antivirus software, and what this antivirus software is doing in your computer system? Let us start. Antivirus software helps to identify, prevent and remove computer viruses and many other malwares like worms, spyware and Trojan horse. Just like all these viruses, worms, malwares or spyware, all these are the threats and viruses. They can remove by this antivirus software. So that's why we have to install antivirus software. Antivirus programs can detect the presence of these elements on the computer and disinfect the system. If these such elements are present in our system, antivirus program detect it and disinfect the system, means remove from the system. Antivirus softwares are signature based detection to identify viruses and other malwares. Antivirus softwares are signature based, means what they are doing in this approach. The antivirus software maintain a dictionary of the known viruses along with their signature codes. Means if there is a virus which is enter in your computer system, that virus contains a signature code, and antivirus software is identify this signature code which is present in the virus, and such a known viruses they can list out in his memory. So if such a virus is coming in your computer system, antivirus software program remove or identify that signature code and known or remove that viruses. When antivirus scan the file, it checks the signature code present in that virus. If that matches with the one in the known list, and this approach can be very effective against the known viruses. The next point is installing in operating system updates periodically. Means operating system, we know the operating system. There is a Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system. So we have to regularly check or update such a operating system. So why we have to update this operating system? Let us see. Software companies release system updates to fix any security vulnerabilities which have been discovered. Which have been discovered means if there is a bugs or error occur in your computer system, so that time that bugs or vulnerabilities they are provide the way or access to your computer system, means they can enter the viruses into your computer. That's why we have to regularly update our operating system. Now third, enable phishing protection. Phishing protection is the most useful in banking industries and other organizations. Phishing protection is most useful. Why? If we use the antivirus software, this antivirus software detect the phishing content on the web or in emails. Means this phishing contents just enter the viruses. They are provide the way to enter the virus in your computer system. That's why we have to enable the phishing protection. And antivirus program just detect such a phishing content which are present in the web pages, emails. So that's why we have to enable. Now 4, install the firewall. A firewall is used to prevent unauthorized access to a computer networks. A firewall is used to prevent unauthorized access. Unauthorized means illegal people or unauthorized user. If they are entering to your computer system, this firewall prevent them. So this software can be implemented as a software, hardware or combination of both. Means this firewall is coming with the software also and hardware also. All data or messages entering or leaving through a computer network or passing through the computer network or by this firewall. Means if we sending the message to our friends, that time this firewall check if there is a virus in that email, so it is not allowed to send that email. So if another your friend is sending a mail to you, that time this firewall also prevent that email or not entering that email to your computer system. So that's why it is required to install the firewall. A firewall examines each messages and block those do not meet the specified security criteria. If these any messages are not coming with the that rules and regulation, so that the emails are blocked by this firewall. They are not antivirus and make not attempt identify or remove any malware. Firewall just prevent or the emails which are coming from outside or which are going from inside. So it is not antivirus to identify or remove the malwares. So that's why we have to install the firewall. The next point is do not install pirated softwares. Do not install pirated software means duplicate softwares. You cannot find you can find a lot of pirated softwares on the internet. Correct. So some of these softwares have been infected or attached the viruses by the hackers with the bad intention to harm your computer. That's why we do not install such a duplicate softwares or pirated softwares. That security we have to taken care. Now the last is do not reply to unsolicited emails. Unsolicited emails means which are coming from the outside. Emails can carry most of the viruses for propagating security infection. Means the emails which are coming from outside, they are carrying the viruses with your system. That's why do not reply or open such a unsolicited or bad intention emails. There is an example, Melinda virus, that always come with these emails. So such emails we have to not entering in your computer system. That taken care we have to make. Now emails are containing executable attachments or hyperlinks. If we open that emails, the viruses are entered into the computer and infect your system. So that's why we have to not reply or open such a unsolicited emails. So thank you student. I hope you enjoy the today's session. This chapter is end now. The next chapter on the next session we will come on the next chapter. Thank you.